Hello guys, and welcome back to this short YouTube video. And in today's video I'm going to edit this picture, and the final result should look something like this or any of them. So this is the raw photo I'm going to deal with. First of all, I'll go to my Lightroom and then select the auto. So one thing I always do is I click on the auto, and then we can see the before and after. That is a very small like editing applied to it, but trust me, in some cases it gives much more detailed or better results. So always try the auto. If it's not good, you can always go back. And then I go to light, and then here I want to increase the contrast a little, and then bring the highlight down just a bit, and increase the blacks a little. I mean, is it decrease or increase? I mean, take the blacks to the negative side, and then go to the curves, and here is where the magic happens. So I bring down the blacks, and then I increase it more just to increase the contrast a little more. Then I click OK. Then I go to color. So here I want to see more of the greens pop up. So I'll go to the mix, then select the green, and then increase the saturation of the green. The greens are turning yellowish, so I'll go to the hue, and then I'll adjust the hue to get just that color I want. Then I want the blue in the water to also pop up a little more, so I'll go to this side, the blue over there, and then let's play with it and see the results. So increase it a little, go to the next one. As you can see in the pool, you can see the changes we are getting in the pool. Then increase it a little. So this is what we started with, and this is what we have reached right now, and we haven't done anything so much. So before then, I want to get this picture in a portrait mode, so I'll go to crop, and then I'll select where you see the 4:3 there, and I'll go to custom. So I want to make this how do you call it, a free form. So I'm trying to crop to get a vertical view. Then I'll go back to custom and then select 4:5 so that the ratio is perfect for Instagram. So I just crop basically to where I want it to. So I want the pool to be in the middle, so I'm using those guidelines to guide me. It's in the middle there, and then I'll click on the OK there, and this is what we have so far. So basically I'll just go to the details and then sharpen this image a little so that when you post it, it doesn't reduce quality. This picture was shot with a drone. Then let's go to the effects area, and then let's try dehaze in this. I think okay, so you can see the effect of the dehaze. It makes the picture pop a little more, so let's just add a little dehaze, and then let's add some vignetting. So if I slide to the left, you can see it's black. If I slide to the right, you can see it's white. So we want the black one, so I'm just vignetting a little so that attention will be pulled towards the center of the image. I don't know if you understand what I'm talking about. The midpoint will just adjust the vignetting, so you can see if I slide to the right, the vignetting moves towards the edges more. If I slide to the left, the vignetting moves towards the middle. So let's just keep it on the normal 50, and I think this is fine. So as you can see, with just this few click, this is the before and this is the after, and that's it. So if I want to export, I'll just go to the share button at the top, and I'll export to my camera roll. Then I can go back to my camera roll and then choose the image, and that's it. So if you want to learn how to add watermark in Lightroom, I'll be glad to help you. So let me know in the comment section below. All right, so that's it. See you guys in the next one.